everyone, we're going to establish or verify the trig identities given here, 1 and 2. So we're going to be working on the left-hand side because there's no way we can figure out that 1. The first thing I'm going to do is look at this one, and it has this form, a plus b times a minus b, and that equals a squared minus b squared, the difference of squares. In our case, our a equals cosecant of theta, and our b equals cotan of theta. So I'm just going to plug it in my formula, and I get cosecant of theta squared minus cotan squared of theta. Now, this is our Pythagorean identity rearranged. So if I take this and subtract cotan squared of theta from both sides, I get this equals 1. So you have 1 equals 1. So that works out just using your difference of squares for factoring. All right, the next one, we're going to do basically the same thing. We have cosine squared of theta. Now for tan, here's your tan and secant go together, cosecant and cotan go together. So basically, this one is your identity based off taking our original Pythagorean identity and dividing everything by cosine squared. So I know that 1 plus tan squared of theta equals secant squared of theta. So now I'm going to break this up with secant squared of theta equals 1 over cosine of theta. So we have cosine squared of theta times 1 divided by, and there's no squares on this, but if it has a square here, then it's the same thing. You're just going to write cosine squared of theta. If I put this one in fraction form, and if you divide, get 1 divided by 1, that equals 1. So we have 1 equals 1. And that verifies it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.